In the relentless pursuit of victory, where every fraction of a second defines champions, NASCAR Brazil and Hexagon join forces. A partnership that redefines the limits of precision and performance, accelerating into the digital era on Brazilian tracks. In the past, ensuring compliance and optimizing every technical detail was a race against time. The lack of precise digital models limited the speed of inspections and the depth of analyses. NASCAR Brazil, inspired by the advancements of NASCAR US, sought a revolution: the speed of digitalization. Hexagon brought to NASCAR Brazil the most advanced digital twin technologies. High-precision scanners, Marvelscan and Hyperscan, and reverse engineering software transform complexity into agility. Creating the perfect 3D model of each car has become a fast and intuitive reality, directly in our operations center. From planning to post-race analysis, Hexagon technologies offer unparalleled flexibility. At our headquarters, the digitized data is processed with the power of Geomagic Design X, generating parametric 3D models, ready for analysis, comparison, and optimization.
O projeto GM Digital representa avanço significativo para a área de engenharia da NASCAR Brasil. Os modelos CADs altamente precisos tornam-se possível a comparações entre as carrocerias e a detecção das mínimas variações entre elas.
The impact is undeniable. Compliance ensured with agility, inspection costs and time drastically reduced, and a solid foundation for future innovations. NASCAR Brazil aligns with global best practices, raising the level of competition, ensuring transparency and fairness for all. Hexagon and NASCAR Brazil, together shaping the future of motorsport, where digital precision drives speed and innovation. A partnership that takes digital reality beyond the tracks.